I want you to know how cold it is. Yeah, that protects to 50 degrees below zero. Look it. That is not froze solid, that's for sure, but it is not liquid either. It's a slush. I suppose it's doing what it's supposed to do, but you sure couldn't pour that. No, you couldn't pour that at all. And that's a brand new bottle. It's never been opened. It's not diluted. That is the stuff right there. You can see it doesn't remain liquid. Oh, it's cold. Bill Goudy checking in. The sun's shining, but they're saying it's going to get it's warming up. It's going to warm up instead of this 20-degree stuff. And it was sub-zero, and now it's 20. It's like spring. That's supposed to get to 40 by Super Bowl Sunday. I hope they're right. In the meantime, I've been working on shop projects and trying to keep warm. I built a stand for my motorized bike, and I got it to run. Started right up. Yeah, I had to do some minor adjustments, but check this out, will you? Yeah, it doesn't look like much, but it's just some angle iron I had laying around here and some channel, and I built a stand, and it's yeah, I did all the final tuning and adjusting. This is the seat that came with it. This is the seat I replaced. Look at that. Look at. Can you see the size? I don't know if you can see the size difference. This is for a big old fat butt. That's right. Yeah, I'm a little more comfortable ride. Well, I got it running. Starts right up. Runs good. Once this warms up, it idles nice. It doesn't want to idle right off the bat being cold, and I don't blame it. I don't want to run idle either. But as soon as this weather breaks, I'm anxious to get out. Yeah, it's supposed to be up in the 40s by this weekend, maybe even 50s by Sunday. But we got a lot of melting to do before it gets there. The oil mixture, I'm using full synthetic oil as recommended, and use 5.5 for the 5.5 ounces of full synthetic oil to 1 gallon of gas, and you use 2 gallons for break-in. So I according to the instructions, you get around 100 miles to the gallon. So you're going to break it in 200 miles. And then after the break-in period, you use 4 ounces of full synthetic oil to a gallon of gas for the life of the bike. This is what I had left over out of that whole kit. Everything here, got a couple tools, and then the rest of this is leftover hardware. I've watched so many videos. I've seen so many. I had no idea. I had no idea that this motorized bike was such a big deal, and that they've been doing it for such a long time. I've been wanting one of these since I was a kid. And I never had the means or the knowledge or the availability. We didn't have the internet back when I was little. No, we didn't. So now we got the internet. Look at look at all this fantastic technology that we have. Listen, I got more things to do. I want to get this shop cleaned up now. I got this running. I'm just going to have to put it on hold and wait. I got finish up my Adirondack chairs. I'd like to build another round of them as well. I want to get some polyurethane onto them and get them out of the shop because they're just taking up too much room in here. And I think Bill Goudy Jr.'s got other projects to work on as well. So I want to thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. This is the oil that I used in my chainsaw, and I had it on hand. But you mix 5.5 ounces, and I measured it out. 5.5 ounces of this for the first 2 gallons, and that should be you know, like I think that's 200 miles. You get about 100 miles to a gallon.